Hey, what going?
Alright.
Sexy and evening, though.
Mm.
How was the day?
Not bad.
Not bad. Yo, my dear. Just know say what bag of things happen on my day. I'm tired right now, but I just have to come and see, isn't it? As a matter of fact, when your community nice, you man a beer, truck, car, bike, everything will be nice.
Because the road busy.
No, and the road busy, I could even reach down a little earlier, but you want to come check me and you know, because you know, she have some food down here. I don't know if you cook at your yard, isn't it?
I cook, man.
You cook? You cook? Because I take stew piece for the girl.
No.
Basically, I don't know, I have a bag of things I want to talk about with you, isn't it? I know you probably want to hear me have to say.
Obviously.
Alright. You know, say even though I had about 3 weeks now, I pray to take your relationship to the next level.
Real?
God no. Yeah, so I think about it. Oh shit, hold on.
I do! I'm gonna call Carrie and tell her this. Hello? Carrie, you don't know who just proposed to me? Girl, Razor Blade just proposed to me. I say, girl, right on the roadside. I say, you want to see a piece of something out here? One piece of something out here, girl. Someone come link you and tell you what go on. Razor, I do, Razor, I do.
My girl, what the hell you do? My girl, I'm shoes me that we are going to talk about I do. Me that think about to take it to the next level to be like you're actually going to be my girlfriend now. But you know what? This don't make no sense. Later.
Hey girl, why you want it with me so? You take off my shirt and feel figured up. You are rip on the sheet and I feel the pillow. Touch you there so hot, pain you feel with the touch. Touch your tender, and you start with the fuss. When me turn your back, where you are talk about your love.